Today we have a box full with animal toys, some farm animals and some wild animals. This is a jungle adventure. Let's open the box and learn some animals' name. Are you ready? Let's start. They are animal toys. The first one is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit. This is elephant. A camel. This is a camel. A kite. This is a kite. A ostrich. This is ostrich. A panda. This is a panda. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. A kangaroo. This is a kangaroo.